A metal is a material that, when freshly prepared, polished, or fractured, shows a lustrous appearance and conducts electricity and heat relatively well. Metals are typically malleable. They can be hammered in, into thin sheet or ductile, can be drawn into wires. A metal may be a chemical element such as iron, an alloy such as stainless steel, or a molecular compound such as polymeric sulfur nitrate. In physics, a metal is generally regarded as any substance capable of conducting electricity at a temperature of absolute zero. Many elements and compounds that are not normally classified as material metals become metallic under high pressure. For example, the non-metal iodine gradually becomes a metal at a pressure of between 40 and 170,000 times atmospheric pressure. Equally, some metal materials regarded as metal can non-metal. Sodium, for example, becomes a non-metal at pressure of just under 2 million times atmospheric pressure. In chemistry, two elements that would otherwise qualify in physics as brittle metals, arsenic and antimony, are commonly instead recognized as metalloids due to their chemistry predominantly non-metallic for arsenic and balance between metallicity and non-metallicity for antimony. Around 95% or 95 of the 118 elements in the periodic table are metals or are likely to be such. The number is inexact as the boundaries between metals and non-metals or metalloids fluctuate slightly due to a lack of universal accepted definitions of the categories involved. In astrophysics, the term metal is cast more widely to refer to all chemical elements in a star that are heavier than helium, and not just traditional metals in the sense of the first four metals collecting in stellar cores through nucleosynthesis are carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and neon, all of which are strictly non-metals in chemistry. A star fuses lighter atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium, into heavier atoms over its lifetime. Used in that sense is the metallicity of an astronomical object in the proportion of its matter made up of the heavier chemical element. Metals as chemical element comprise 25% of the Earth's crust and are present in many aspects of modern life. The strength and resilience some metals had to left their frequent use in, for example, high-rise building and bridge construction, as well as most vehicles, many home appliances, tools, pipes, and railroad tracks.